Hi folks, I'm going to show you how you can start programming in Python in under 5 minutes. You heard it right, we are going to write your first code in Python even if you don't have any previous background, any previous experience in programming. I'm not going to ask you to install anything on your local machine. We're going to use Google Colab, which is a wonderful tool for coding in Python. So open your favorite browser and look for Colab. And then the first result that comes up is welcome to Colab from Google Colab, and that's the service we are looking for. So right click on this, and then we can appreciate the starting page of Colab. Let me just switch it to English. And so the first view you should have is something similar to this, or better, it should be similar to this one. Okay. If you want to switch to the dark theme, to the dark mode, just click tools and then settings, and you can click dark, and that's a really relief. That's a real relief for our eyes. Okay, so in under 5 minutes, we have a couple of more minutes left spared, so we can click on File, New Notebook in Drive, and within a few seconds, a new interactive Python notebook will open. That's right. The tab you are viewing is called an interactive Python notebook. You can notice it even by looking at this extension here, so IPYNB, which stands for Interactive Python Notebook. We are on a web page, so we can zoom in and zoom out by holding the Control key and then with the mouse scrolling. And then we can also change the title of our project, the title of our notebook, by clicking and then typing the new title. For example, your first Python program. That's right, then you can hit enter or click in any other point in your view, and we have set up your title. Then first and only code line we're going to write is the evergreen, ever tested hello world example. What I am looking for and what we are going to code is just a simple algorithm that asks the Python interpreter to print out on screen a custom message. So the instruction in Python to ask the interpreter, to ask Python to print out something on screen, to visualize something on screen, is the print instruction. So you can click here on the dark rectangle and type print, and then insert a bracket, and then a double quote or even a single quote. And then within these two quotes, you can type whatever message you want Python to print out on screen. The first and most used and most common message is the hello world. So let's type the hello world with an exclamation mark. That's right, this is your first Python program in under 5 minutes, but we are missing how to execute this piece of code, this notebook, or specifically this cell. So in order to execute all the instruction you have inserted inside a cell in this interactive notebook, you can just press this icon here on the left. And as a little magic, in a few seconds, you will notice here, down here, that our Python interpreter have printed out our message on screen. If you want to stay tuned with this Python knowledge, just subscribe to the channel, and down there somewhere I'm going to link you also to a video course I've developed just for you, just for people who want to start programming from scratch, start learning Python from scratch. It's a course of more or less 7-8 hours that can really teach you in a very simple manner how to efficiently program in Python. Happy coding! See you soon.